Hey everybody, so today we are making apple cider vinegar. I am making something I have never made before. I got this recipe from Andrea at VW Family Farm, and I am really working towards making a lot of my own cleaning products, laundry soap. You're going to see that video coming out later this week. I'm really excited, guys. I just cored and peeled a lot of apples. I am making apple butter. That video is coming out too. So I've never done this. So this is probably going to be a series. You're going to see this in 2 or 3 different videos because obviously you can't see the end product today. But the recipe goes as follows. I've got a bunch of apple cores, peels, and stuff that I've done right here. This is just a glass ball jar that I picked up at my local grocery store. For every cup of water, you want a tablespoon of sugar. So my little pitcher here holds 2 cups of water. And I am using distilled water that I got at the grocery store. I don't personally care for our city water. It's got a lot of chlorine and fluoride and a lot of things that I don't even drink our city water. It's just a personal preference. And I realize that the city has to put a lot of that stuff in it. It's nothing against them. I just don't drink our city water. And I don't want it in my apple cider vinegar. So I've measured out 4 cups. And you can make up as much as you need. So to this water, there's about 3 cups in there. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. And I will probably need all of that before it's over with. And you're just going to I'm going to put a lid on it and you're going to shake it up until it's all dissolved. Now when you're doing this, you want to completely submerge your apple peelings and your cores and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna make up some more here. I still have about a cup in here. It's in my bag. Hush. Papa's over here laughing at me. Just gonna shake that up really good. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill this up. Like I said, you wanna cover it up completely. And then you're gonna put a coffee filter on it and let it set for 2 weeks. And at the end of the 2 weeks, it's still not done. You need to strain it off, take all this stuff up, put it back in your closet or wherever in a dark, warm place, and let it set up for another 3 to 4 weeks. And then you'll have your apple cider vinegar. All right, that did it. And then just push it down Okay. And then my clipboard. All right. And then I'm just going to take a coffee filter. Now, Andrea on her video said that if it grows a mother on top of it, that's good. Then you've got a healthy apple cider vinegar. Just like, a SCOBY on your kombucha or something like that, then that's a good thing. She said that you probably wouldn't, you don't know your exact acidity on this, so it might not be something you would want to, if you needed a recipe that you wouldn't want to pickle with it. But as far as like drinking it or feeding it to your animals or cleaning with it, you absolutely could do this with this. Anyway, so this is the first video on this. I will be making more videos as the weeks progress on it, but stage one of my first apple cider vinegar, it's going in the closet. So anyway, thank you for joining me, and we will see y'all in the next video.
In the great outdoors.